Hello, hello, hello. Hi. Can you hear me well, Dalio?
Yes,
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear. Are you ready now? So we will be having a family and friends lesson today. Can you see it? Can you see it now? Can you see it now, Dalio?
Yes,
Okay, good. So we have here some words and you read it, please, then use it in a sentence. First, read.
boy.
Okay, make a sentence using the word boy.
Mm, that is a boy.
That is a
He
boy. Mm-hmm.
he play toys.
He is playing with his toys. Playing. Okay, next, do you know oyster?
Yes,
Okay, can we eat oyster?
mm, yes.
Okay, now make a sentence using the word oyster.
She likes his eat oyster.
Wait. Did you say he likes eat oyster like this, Dahlia? Am I
Yes,
right? Okay.
yes.
A little bit of an error. It should be he likes to eat. To, you need to add to here. He likes to eat oyster. Okay.
He like okay.
Okay, he likes to eat oyster. Next word, make a sentence using the word, that word. Oil in a sentence.
Mm,
Oil in a sentence.
I can see a coin.
Oil. You mean this one, right?
Mm,
Oil. I can see what? Ah, coin. You said coin. I can see coin. Okay. Oil and soil in a sentence. Use these two words. Oil and soil.
oil.
Mm-hmm. Use it in a sentence. Do you have an idea now?
No,
But you know oil, right? You know oil?
no.
Oh, in Vietnamese, oil means dao. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now make a sentence using the word oil. You're writing.
Yes.
Okay. What's this? Chinbang daw. Okay. Now read.
Fry
The
in coconut
oil.
oil.
Okay. So you can also say the fish is fried in the oil. Next, soil in a sentence. Soil. This is a soil or a dirt.
Mm, I don't know soil.
Oh, I see. In Vietnamese, soil is dat. Dat.
Okay. Mm,
You're writing?
yes.
Ah, huh? Still soil. Where's the sentence? Use it in a sentence. Are you still writing?
Mm, yes.
Ah, okay.
This
Hmm?
is it.
That's not even a sentence. It's just a word. That trongka, it says soil. Soil is just a word. Yeah, here I translated it. It's just soil. I'll do it again. Oh, see, it's just soil. What do you mean by this?
Okay.
This?
Yes.
Okay, let's just proceed. Now read, Dalio. Roy.
Where?
This one.
Roy E. Roy E. A boy. A boy. Play with a toy. A toy. We can see a coin. A coin.
So where is the coin? Where is it? Where is the coin?
The coin is on the saw.
Very good. Okay, so now you have your match and right. So example, that's soil number 2. Number 2, what is this?
Is he a boy?
3.
Is he a Austin?
Very good. 4.
Is he a car?
5.
Is he a oil?
Good. The last one.
Is he a toy?
Very good. So we have here a story about cyber school. Now, when you make a story or a presentation, you can always use first, then next, finally, or every day at the weekend. Okay. So now you need to listen, Dalio,
Listening 54.
because you're going to answer
Listen and
later
read.
on.
Australia is a very big country. A lot of families live on farms. The farms are a long way from towns or cities, so the children don't go to school. They have lessons at home and they talk to their teachers on the internet. They are students of the cyber school.
I live on a farm. There isn't a town for 500 kilometres. That's 6 hours in the car. So I do cyber school. I get up early every day. First, I help on the farm. Then I watch my teachers on the internet. Next, I do my schoolwork. Finally, I email my work to my teacher. Some of my school friends live 2,000 kilometres away, but we meet every year and have a sports day together.
Okay, so let's see if you've listened. Now read and answer again the
Listening
question.
54.
Oh,
Listen and read.
okay, so as you can see, does Ellie live in a town? It's a no. Number 2, does Ellie email her work, Dalio?
Okay.
Is it a yes or a no? Huh? What's this? Huh? Okay, wait. Hear it again. Okay.
Read.
Australia is a very big country. A lot of families live on farms. The farms are a long way from towns or cities, so the children don't go to school. They have lessons at home and they talk to their teachers on the internet. They are students of the cyber school.
I live on a farm. There isn't a town for 500 kilometres. That's 6 hours in the car. So I do cyber school. I get up early every day. First, I help on the farm. Then I watch my teachers on the internet. Next, I do my schoolwork. Finally, I email my work to my teacher. Some of my school friends live 2,000 kilometres away, but we meet every year and have a sports day together.
Okay, all good. So let's start. Number 2, does Ellie email her work? Yes or no?
Mm, no.
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 So does Ellie email her work? You said no, right? And you are wrong. Because I email my work to my teacher. It's a yes. Number 3, does Ellie get up late?
No.
No is still wrong because Ellie gets up really early. Oh, sorry. Yes. You're correct. Next, number 4. Does Ellie live close to her friends? What's your answer, Dalio? Is it a yes or a no? What's your
Mm,
answer?
yes.
Ellie live close to her friends, and your answer is yes. And that is wrong. Wrong, because Ellie lives really far from her friends. Live 2,000 kilometers away. That means very far. So it's a no. Number 5. Does Ellie watch her teachers on the internet?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, correct. It's a, oh, you messaged me? Oh, no. Yes, it's a yes. The last one. Does Ellie see her friends at the weekend? What's your answer? What is this? What did you message me? Oh, okay. The last one, Dalio. Does Ellie see her?
No.
Huh? You're writing?
No.
Ah, okay. So number 6, your answer is no. Yes, that's right. It's a no because she only see them once in a year. So now you need to listen and write the numbers, okay? You need to listen carefully.
Listening 55. Listen and write the numbers.
Okay.
Number 1,
Do you get up early every day, Ellie?
Yes, I do. I live on a farm and there's lots of work to do.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Number 2,
Do you have breakfast with your family every morning?
Yes, I do. We have breakfast before we start work.
Number 3,
After breakfast, I help my mum and dad on the farm.
What do you do on the farm?
I feed the chickens.
Number 4,
Do you go to school, Ellie?
No, I don't. My house is a long way from the town, so I have my lessons at home. I use the internet to talk to my teachers.
Wow.
Number 5,
Do you go to bed early?
Yes, I do. My days are very busy, so I get very tired.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 8 o'clock.
Okay. So this is number 1, Dalio. So what's number 2?
Mm, number 2. A.
You mean this?
Yes.
What's your number 3?
Number 3. Mm, A.
A. Next, 4.
4. D.
Good job. Okay, and the last one is B. Now, what time do you get up, Dalio?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
Wow. And what time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast Is
Not
mm,
is at. I have
is
breakfast at. Not is at.
us 7 7:50 o'clock.
7:15. Oh. What time do you start school?
Mm, I wrote no.
You don't go to school yet?
Mm, okay, I'm
I will
ready.
write. Okay, okay. Tôi đang nghi. Okay, can you say it? I am. Read this. Read your answer.
I am on summer vacation.
Not vacation. Vacation.
Vacation.
Okay. So what time do you have dinner?
I have dinner mm, at 7 o'clock.
Oh, and what time do you go to bed?
I I am go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Do not say I am, just say I go to bed.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Oh, why is it a little bit late? What do you do? Why do you sleep at 10 o'clock? What do you do?
I don't know.
Do you watch TV? Do you study? Do some homework or play?
I some homework.
You do some homework, I see. Okay, so we have here proper nouns. When we say nouns, those are the name of person, place, thing, animal, or places. You understand me, right, Dalio? So, for example, okay, when we say noun and the noun is a girl, that's a noun. But for the proper noun, that's a real name. For example, the noun is boy. Now, the proper noun of that would be, for example, Dalio. Okay? So, boy
Okay.
is a noun. Dalio is the proper noun. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, what if I say diamond? What is diamond? A noun or a proper noun?
Mm, proper noun.
Very good. Okay. Now, what if I say daddy? What is daddy? Noun or proper noun?
Noun.
Very good. Good job. Okay, so daddy is a noun. So let's proceed. So we also have here a teacher is a noun, a name is a proper noun. For the country, that's a noun, and Egypt is a proper noun. For city, London, or let's say, okay, I will write, okay. Vietnam is a what, Dalio?
Vietnam is a proper noun.
Hmm, very good. Okay, what if I say book? What is book?
Mm, book is a noun.
Good job. Okay. What if I write here apple? What is apple?
Apple is a noun.
No, apple is a proper noun. The noun of apple is fruit.
Okay.
Okay. What if I say mm, pumpkin? What is a pumpkin?
Mm, Pumpkin is a proper noun.
Very good. Okay, so now you have here an activity. Read and circle the proper noun. So you got there an example. Ellie is a proper noun. Australia is a proper noun. Number two, Dahlia, what's your answer? Proper noun.
Mm,
Good. Good job. Number three. Good. What else? Wow, good job. Number four. Good job. Next. Good. And wow, good. Next. Good. And okay, the last one. And wow, very good. Nice one, Dalio. Nice one. Okay, so perfectly answered. Very good. I'm so proud of you. So now you are going to complete the crossword, okay? So as you can see here, down, that's monkey. So number two, what is this?
mm, uh, is a mm,
It's a what?
mm,
Are you writing?
no.
Ah, okay. Do you have any idea?
Uh, it's a penguin.
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 So how do you spell penguin? How do you spell it?
What?
How do you wait. How do you spell it? Why is it like this? How do you spell it? The word penguin.
Penguin.
Okay. So, but we're running out of time. I'll give this to you as your homework. Try to do this one, okay, Dalio?
Okay.
Okay, then please call Diamond and just click again the link. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Tạm biệt.
Tạm biệt.